In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit profile on Fandom. If you'd like to personalize your Fandom account and make your profile more informative for other users, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of updating your profile details on Fandom. The steps are simple, and within just a few moments, you'll be able to customize your profile with information that better represents you. To begin, open the Fandom website on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the website, locate your profile icon. You can find it on the left-hand side of the screen near the lower section of the interface. Click on the profile icon to open the available options and then select View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where all of your account information is displayed. After your profile page loads, look for the Edit Profile button located next to your username. Click on this button to access the Profile Editing section. This is where you'll be able to update and manage the information that appears on your profile. Inside the profile editor, you'll see a field where you can enter your name. Carefully type the name you'd like to display on your profile. Below that, you'll find an area dedicated to your biography. This section allows you to add a short description about yourself, your interests, or anything you'd like other community members to know about you. As you continue through the profile settings, you'll also have the option to add links to your social media profiles. Depending on the available fields, you may include links to platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, or Discord. Adding these links can make it easier for others to connect with you outside of Fandom if you choose to share that information. In addition to social media links, you'll also find an option to add a website address. If you have a personal website, blog, portfolio, or another online page you'd like to showcase, you can enter the link in the designated field. Once you've finished filling in all the information you want to include, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. When you're satisfied with your changes, click the Save button at the top of the page. Your updated profile information will then be applied and visible on your account. That's pretty much all there is to editing your profile on Fandom. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.